You ever notice the quietest sounds only happen when you're not allowed to make noise? I'm in the middle of a test, dead silent.
Then it happens.
My phone, face down, on my desk, instant panic. Do I grab it? No. I want to graduate. Do I pretend it's not mine? But what if it buzzes again? I stop breathing. Like actually stop. The teacher looks up, locks eyes with me.
Then my phone buzzes again.
Double buzz.
Bro.
She starts walking over. Every step louder than the last. I'm already planning my excuse, my apology, my new life. She stops, looks at my desk, then walks away. Test ends. I check my phone.
It's YouTube.
Recommended for you.
I almost failed school.